Hello, my name is Ashani Appa. I'm from Sirus Migration. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Subclass 188 Business Visa latest changes. Please note that these requirements will be applicable to you only if you have received your nomination after 1st of July. So if you have already received your nomination prior to 1st of July 2021, or if you have already lodged your Subclass 188 visa, these new rules will not affect you. In this video, I will explain the different streams now available under Subclass 188 visa, the key requirements for each stream. I have also done a separate video with the latest points table for Subclass 188 visa. This points table is applicable as of 1st of July 2021. So I have put a link to that video in the description down below. So please watch that if you want to understand the latest points table applicable to Subclass 188, which is very important after 1st of July. So Subclass 188 is a provisional visa and it is now granted for 5 years. And depending on the stream, you are expected to either run a business in Australia or maintain eligible investments for a certain amount of time, and that will lead you to apply for permanent residency under Subclass 888. Some benefits of the Subclass 188 visa is the main applicant can include your dependent, children and spouse, and most states will allow your dependent children to attend state schools free of charge once you hold the Subclass 188 visa. As you already know, Australian borders are closed for most overseas people, but if you're holding a Subclass 188 visa, you can enter Australia anytime. Also, there is 13,500 places allocated for Subclass 188 visa for 2022 financial year. As you can see, this is a great visa for the right candidate. Now I will go through the different streams available under Subclass 188 Business Innovation and Investment Visa from 1st of July 2021. The first stream is Investor. Now you need to have a complying investment of 2.5 million held for the duration of the provisional visa. It used to be 1.5 million and there's an increase in $1 million in there. And you still need to get 65 points on the Business Innovation and Investment Point Test. You need to either have functional English or you need to pay the second application fee. The main applicant has to be under 55 years of age, but keep in mind though there are some waivers available from different states for your age. The main applicant needs to reside in Australia for at least 2 years. And you also need to be nominated by a state or territory government. The second stream is the Business Innovation. This stream has had quite a bit of changes from 1st of July, so I will go through them now. As of 1st of July, you need to have a minimum net asset of $1.25 million in order to be eligible for Subclass 188. And you also have to own a business with at least 750,000 annual turnover. The main applicant again has to get 65 points on the points test. You either need to prove functional English or pay the second visa application fees. The main applicant has to be under 55 years. Again, there are some waivers available from different states for the age. And either the main applicant or the secondary applicant will need to reside in Australia for at least 1 year. This visa is eligible to have an extension stream for up to 2 years. So right now the visa is granted for 5 years and there is a possibility for you to get an extension for another 2 years. So all up you may be able to get the visa for 7 years. You need to be nominated by the state or territory government for this visa subclass as well. The third one is the entrepreneur. You need to have endorsement by a state or territory government and service providers in state and territory innovation ecosystems. There used to be a limitation of $200,000 endorsement, but it's gone now. So this is a really good news for people who are interested in entrepreneur stream. The main applicant has to have competent English. They need to be under 55 years of age, unless this is waived again by your nominator. And the expectation is for you to reside in Australia for at least 2 years while holding subclass 188. The last stream is the significant investor. With the significant investor stream, the complying investment that you need to hold is $5 million. The requirement for the English is you need to have functional English or pay the second visa application fees. The residency requirement in Australia is average of 40 days a year for the primary visa holder or 180 days a year for the secondary visa holder. So only one of you will have to comply with the residency requirement. This visa also have an extension stream for up to 4 years. So all up, you can pretty much expect if you fulfill the right requirement, you can get the visa for 5 years plus another 4 years. And again, you need to get the nomination by state or territory government or the Austrade. So these are the 4 streams now available under the streamlined BIP program from 1st of July 2021. If you would like more information or interested in applying for this visa, please feel free to get in touch with us. We have been helping successful business people applying for subclass 188 business visa for many years and more than willing to check your eligibility and assist you in the process. Thank you.